I'll be going through with you Hugo Boss stock, and you just type it in Google, and you will notice when you click enter, you notice the name here, the full name. If you want to buy right now, it's 59.16 euros. That's the currency per stock, and you can see the market cap is in billions, which means it's a big size firm, and it pays dividend of approximately 4.5%. So, which is a positive sign. It means they're financially strong. The companies that are paying dividend, that means they're financially strong because after paying their costs, liabilities, creditors, they still have extra money left. That extra money is paid to shareholders as dividends. So that means that they're financially very strong. So this thing is very important to note down. Let's have a look at when was this founded in 1924. But you can just click to Wikipedia and you can have a look at the box, and you can see founded 1924, 95 years ago. Now, I want to see what the employees think about this firm who work here because that's very important for me. I just copy this off Google, straight from Google, paste it here in the search bar, and I'll type in Indeed reviews, and let's see what employees have to say about it. And I can see there are 330 reviews and 3.8 star. So you can just read through the pros and cons yourself, and you can see the reviews and see the reviews in Glassdoor as well because that's a brilliant website as well for reviews. I'll click there and I want to see we have 432 reviews and 3.2 star, and you can just read through the reviews yourself. It's brilliant. Now I want to see if it has any patents. I want to go to Justia patents and just click there and paste it in the search bar and click enter. I can't find any from this. I'll just remove that now, for example, and try and click enter. Yes, I have found one. So I'm not interested in inventor because these are people who invented, but they don't have full rights. I'm interested in assignee or applicant because assignee and applicant have full rights of the patents. Now I just want to see, copy this and paste it in Google and see if this is the same one we are looking at. And yes, it's Hugo Boss. That's the same one, I guess. And yes, it is. And so in 2009 they have a patent, and then I don't think, no, they just have one patent, I guess. So in 2009, which is like 10 years ago, so I must look for, which is brilliant because the patent, the more they just have one patent, but that means that it's a moat, it acts like a moat. But I'm interested in recent patents as well. It's been a 10 years now, so you need to look at that as well. They don't have any recent patents. Let's look at Yahoo Finance and see how many executives they have, what salaries they are getting, and so I'll just paste in Hugo Boss, and I want to make sure that I'm searching the right one, and I'll just check that's the symbol boss. So I want to check, I'll just type in by symbol. That's the one, I guess. um, Hugo Boss, I guess that's the one. 20.51, that's the in US dollars. That's there. No, that's not the one. Maybe Hugo Boss, Hugo. So I will just check this one. I'll just remove that now. I think I'll select this one, right? And that's the one, yeah, 59.2, and that's the one, 59.2, that's the one, and it's in euros, yes. And go to profile, and you can see consumer, the industry, the employees, everything, and then you can see we have 5 executives, but 3 of their salaries have been shown. 2 of them says not applicable. You need to find out why it's not applicable, why it's not shown, because the more transparency, the more better, the more information we have. Now let's have a look at macro trend and see what trends it has. Go to price ratio, price book ratio, and the type in the sorry, Hugo Boss. I guess I'll just see from here, BOSS. Maybe it's not in here, so I think I think that's not. I can't search here, So maybe this website doesn't have this stock, so you know, that's fine.